Hari Om, Namaste, welcome, divine being of light, of infinite love, and welcome to today's class. We have a juicy, delicious, more introverted, calm flow that's wonderful to start your day with and truly can be used at any time of the day that you just want to sit with yourself, connect with your breath, calm and balance your mind, and bring gentle movement and ease and grace into your body, into your being. This was recorded in the beautiful Patnam Beach in southern Goa, India, and it's a pleasure to bring you this class all the way from India to your living room or wherever you may be practicing today. To begin, please come to a comfortable seated position on your mat. You can also use a small pillow under your hips and sit your hips up so your knees point downwards. You'll want to make sure that your spine is nice and tall. You can also use a little blanket or shawl, as we will be doing some breathing exercises, and then later moving very gently. To begin, bring your hands to heart center, a soft smile within. Inhale your arms above your head, bring your hands together, bring it down to your heart. Bring your arms down, around, and up, cleansing your aura, bringing your hands together and drawing them down to heart center. One last time. Inhale your arms down, around, and up. Bring your hands to touch and bring them down to your heart space. We're going to first explore alternate nostril breathing. You'll want to bring your left pointer finger and thumb together to touch in a mudra, resting it down upon your thigh. Then you'll want to take your other hand, your pointer finger and middle finger point upwards, and you're going to put those two fingers onto your third eye or in between your eyebrows. You're going to close off the right side, and we'll begin by breathing in the left, doing alternate nostril breathing, which will bring balance and equilibrium to the right and left hemisphere of your brain. So once you feel comfortable, you're going to seal the right hand side with your thumb. Inhale through the left. Seal and hold both at the top. Release the right side. Exhale out the right. Inhale for the right. Seal and close both. Exhaling out of the left. Inhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seal for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale through the right. Seal and hold at the top. Exhale out of the left. Inhale the left. Seal and hold both at the top. Exhale out of the right. Inhale the right. Seal and hold both at the top. Exhaling out of the left. Inhale the right. Seal and hold both at the top. Exhale out of the right. Continuing with this motion, breathing in through one side, holding at the top, and releasing out of the left. You can use a count of 6 on each side and make your exhale 1 or 2 counts longer, or you can use whatever count feels great to you in this moment. As you do this, you're bringing your right and left hemisphere into a state of equanimity, equilibrium, and balance. Bringing more emotional stability into your mind and into your body, heart, and soul. As you take a moment to sit with your higher self with a capital S, you can contemplate on the grandness of your infinite nature. You are one with the stars, one with the universe, one with the creator of all. Breathing in and breathing out. You can envision a column of white light connecting you. It goes from the bottom of your sitting bones and your feet all the way down into the core of the earth. You can even imagine it anchoring onto a white crystal or your favorite crystal, grounding down deep into the earth. This white light travels up your body, cleansing every single cell, every organ, every bit of who you are, and shines throughout your entire being and all the way out through the crown of your head, connecting you to the ether, to the creator of all. You are one with creation, one with Pachamama. As you breathe in and breathe out, this channel of white light acts like a column, cleansing you, connecting you, grounding you, giving thanks that you are alive, that you have a body, a mind, heart, and soul, that you have the opportunity to be incarnated right here, right now, in your being, in your meat modem, as Gerald Clark would say, your infinite being of light within your meat modem. Continuing to breathe in through one side, holding at the top and breathing out the other, repeating this in a cyclical fashion. Taking a moment to honor yourself, to sit with yourself, to know that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment, that you are giving your body exactly what it needs, the gift of attention, the gift of breath. Connecting with your prana, your infinite life force, connecting with yourself. As we show up for ourselves, we undoubtedly create a better energy within and are able to show up better for the world and those around us. Continuing to breathe in, holding at the top and exhaling out. Continue on your own and connect with yourself, allowing any thoughts that want to come up to surface and gently breathing them away, letting go of any stress. Continuing on your own now. going to move on with some gentle stretches. Continue to breathe until you exhale out of the left-hand side. That's when you'll know that you have finished the process. Bring both of your hands to your knees. Breathe in. Hold at the top. And breathe out. Noticing a difference in your energy. Breathing in. Holding at the top. Exhaling when you're ready. Bring your hands to heart center. Consider your intention. Once you have it, bring it up into your throat. Declare it. Bring it up into your third eye. Visualize it. Bring it up above your head and sprinkle your arms out, cleansing your aura, and prepare for Om. Bringing your hands to heart center, breathe in. Namaste, dear souls. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. This is the end of the free version, but if you'd like, you can purchase the video over at christajclark.com or gravitybodyacademy.com. You can also find more premium content at artisticvegan.vhx.tv. And I highly recommend finishing this video. It is called Yoga Therapy, and it is highly therapeutic, and it's suitable for beginners. It's a wonderful way to start your day, take a pause, or end your day. Thank you again for letting me be your guide. It is with great honor that I can guide you in the tradition and practice of yoga. Namaste. May peace and love be on your path. Until next time.